guys, what's up? Eric the Techy Agent here at the Suunto booth, and we actually have a new offering from Suunto. It's the new Suunto 3 Fitness. So what can you tell me about this new watch?
So Suunto 3 Fitness, it is a product that has beautiful design. It has this adaptive training guidance, which means that it creates you a 7-day training plan that is based on your fitness level. And you will also get real-time guidance during workout, which is based on your intensity. There is also activity tracking features such as steps and calories, sleep tracking, and we are also introducing the sleep quality, which tells you how well you recover while you're sleeping. And it is water resistant until 30 meters, so it is swimming proof and you can use it in your everyday life. It is really designed to be worn 24/7, so that's why it's so lightweight and small.
Now, my understanding is that this doesn't have GPS, so this is a little bit different than what Suunto has done before, which has been primarily making like GPS watches. This is more geared towards those who are wanting to do like basic fitness.
Yes, so you'll get the speed and distance through accelerometer-based data, so you will have that in running and walking activities.
Okay, great. And this will pair with the companion fitness application then on your phone?
Yes, so Suunto app, and that way you'll also get the notifications from your mobile phone to your watch.
Okay, now how does this charge? What's the battery life on it and all that stuff?
So you can charge it with a USB cable, and battery life we will announce later. We are still working on it.
Okay. Now I notice on the back here, this looks like the Valencell sensor that you guys have used in the past for heart rate tracking. Is this the same sensor on this watch as well?
Yes, so it is the same as in Suunto Spartan Trainer.
Okay, so the exact same sensor. Okay, that's great. It's a great sensor. So, and is it a touch screen or a button configuration?
So you're operating with the 5 buttons.
Okay. Is it a color touch screen or a monochrome display?
So it is color screen, but not touch screen.
Okay. All right, great. Thank you. I think those were all of the questions that I had, so thank you very much for your time. Suunto says that the watch will be available sometime this upcoming spring and available for $199 up to $229 depending on which model you go with. Some models are going to have more premium materials and metals, while others are going to be more plastic in design. Now this looks to be a fantastic smartwatch with all of those different sports profiles built in, and I really like the 5-button configuration, and I really like the Valencell heart rate sensor. I feel like it's a mistake for them to not release a GPS version of this watch, but maybe they'll do that at some later point. In any case, this looks to be a great offering from Suunto, and I'm definitely looking forward to getting my hands on this and reviewing it here this upcoming spring. So hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.